Let's hold hands, boys and girls, make a chain around the world. World that's as round as an apple. Apple! Apple, arrow, bubble, brother, we can understand each other. Let's all speak the English language and reach across the world. Listen up, boys and girls, in this apple, apple world. Apple! Come learn English with me. Read it, speak it, write it, sing it, come and be delighted. Reach across the world.
Papasko na talaga. Malamig ng simoy ng hangin.
Hindi ganyan. Hindi ganyan eh. Ano ba ginagawa mo?
Kamuning, Porfirio, ano ba nag-aaway ba kayong dalawa?
Ay, hindi po.
Paskong Pasko eh.
Mukhang abalang-abala si Luis sa ginagawa niya. Ano kaya ginagawa ni Luis? Luis? Luis, what are you doing?
I'm making Christmas cards. Gumagawa ako ng mga card na maaari kong ipamigay ngayong Pasko.
Wow! Ang galing mo naman! Madali lang bang gumawa ng card?
Oo naman, kahit ikaw, kayang-kaya mong gumawa nito eh. Gusto mo turuan kita?
O sige ba?
Sige. Pati ikaw, Kamuning. O sige, panoorin nyo lang mabuti kung anong gagawin ko, ha?
O sige ba?
O sige, teka ha. Tabi ko muna ito. Tapos, una, kukuha ko ng isang pirasong papel. Tapos, yan. Itutupi ko ito. I'm folding it. Yan. Tapos, guguhitan ko ito. I'm drawing on it. Yan. Tapos, susulatan ko ito. I am writing on it. Isusulat ko kahit na anong gusto ko. O, halimbawa, tulad nito sinusulat ko ngayon, maligayang Pasko o kaya mahal ko po kayo. Now, I have a Christmas card. Ha?
Wow! Ang dali lang palang gumawa ng card.
Madali lang talaga. Kahit kayo mga bata, maaari rin kayo matutong gumawa ng mga card na gusto niyong pamigay sa Pasko. Gusto niyo bang matuto?
Opo!
Sundan niyo lang ang gagawin ko, ha? With this piece of paper, I can make a card.
One!
I'm folding it.
Two!
I'm drawing on it.
Three!
I'm writing on it. Here's a Christmas card for you. With this piece of paper, I can make a card.
One!
I'm folding it.
Two!
I'm drawing on it.
Three!
I'm writing on it. Here's a Christmas card for you.
Wow! Teka, Luis.
Ano?
Bakit naman gagawa pa tayo ng card pwede naman tayong bumili na lang.
Oo nga, pag Pasko kasi, mas maganda kung yung ibibigay mo sa mga kaibigan mo, sa mga minamahal mo sa buhay, pinaghirapan mo, di ba?
Oo nga, no?
Mm.
Kung gusto kong mapasaya ang mga kaibigan ko ngayong Pasko,
Mhm.
pwede ko silang bigyan ng ginawa kong card.
Oo, pero marami pang ibang paraan para mapasaya mo sila. Tingnan mo to.
Gagawa ako ng Christmas card para sa aking mga magulang. Ipamimigay ko ang mga ibang laruan ko.
Luis,
Hmm.
ang daming paraan talaga para magpasaya ng ibang tao, no?
Oo, madami talaga yan.
Oh?
Alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, Kamuning, na ang kwento natin ngayon ay tungkol din sa pagpapasaya sa ating kapwa.
Oh?
Oo! Do you want to hear the story?
Yes!
Yes? How about you kids? Do you want to hear the story?
Yes!
Yes? Listen, listen, I have a story. What is the story about? Listen, listen, I have a story. What is the story? What is the story about? Dun! This is Sally.
Luis,
Hmm,
mukhang malungkot si Sally, ah.
tama ka dyan. Kaya nga ang tawag sa kanya ay Sad Sally. Tingnan natin kung magiging masaya si Sad Sally sa ating kwento.
Sige.
Sige, simulan na natin. The title of our story for today is Sad Sally by Zenon Obispo Palomares. In the land of the happy kids, there was a little girl named Sad Sally. One day, the king said, "Let's make her happy!" Everybody tried to make her happy.
Lahat ng bata masasaya, maliban lang kay Sad Sally, no?
Nga eh. Naku, tignan natin kung mapapasaya nga nila itong si Sad Sally. The king jumped for Sad Sally. "What are you doing?" Sad Sally asked the king. "I am jumping," said the king. Sad Sally tried jumping. But jumping did not make her happy.
Tumalon-talon ng hari para pasayahin si Sad Sally.
Oo nga, at sinubukan din ni Sad Sally na lumundag. Kaya lang, hindi rin siya naging masaya.
Oh, ano naman ang makakapagpasaya sa kanya?
Di, tingnan natin. Then, a boy sang for Sad Sally. La la la, la 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 la. What is he doing? Sad Sally asked the king again. "He is singing," said the king. Sad Sally tried singing. La, But singing did not make her happy.
Yung isang bata tsaka si Sad Sally kumanta.
Mm-mm.
Pero hindi pa rin masaya si Sad Sally.
Tama ka dyan. Then, a group of kids danced for Sad Sally. What are they doing? Sad Sally asked the king again. They are dancing, said the king. Sad Sally tried dancing. Dancing is fun, said Sad Sally. And everybody danced with her. They danced and danced and danced. And Sad Sally became Happy Sally. The end.
Ay, salamat. Naging masaya din si Sad Sally sa wakas. Happy Sally na pala.
Oo. Naging masaya siya sa tulong ng mga tao sa paligid niya.
Hmm.
Hmm. Do you want to hear the story again?
Yes.
How about you? Do you want to hear the story again?
Yes!
Ta-da! Our story for today is Sad Sally by Simon Obispo Palomares. In the land of the happy kids, there was a little girl named Sad Sally. One day the king said, "Let's make her happy!" Everybody tried to make her happy. The king jumped for Sad Sally. "What are you doing?" Sad Sally asked the king. "I am jumping," said the king. Sad Sally tried jumping. But jumping did not make her happy. Then a boy sang for Sad Sally. "What is he doing?" Sad Sally asked the king again. "He is singing," said the king. Sad Sally tried singing. But singing did not make her happy. Then a group of kids danced for Sad Sally. What are they doing? Sad Sally asked the king again. "They are dancing," said the king. Sad Sally tried dancing, and everybody danced with her. "Dancing is fun," said Sad Sally. They danced and danced and danced. And starting that day, Sad Sally became Happy Sally. The end. Laro tayo. Kunyari, kayo, si Sad Sally at ako, ang hari. Itatanong nyo sa akin ang tinanong ni Sad Sally sa hari. Ready?
Yes!
Ha!
What are you doing?
I am jumping! Kunyari naman, si Porfirio ang isang bata doon sa istorya. Tanong nyo sa kanya kung ano ang tinanong ni Sad Sally doon sa bata. Ready?
La 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 la.
What is he doing?
He is singing! Kamuning!
What are they doing?
They are dancing.
Very good! Ay, nako. Nakakapagod, ano? Ay! Ay, nako. Muntik ko nang makalimutan. Dapat nga pala, maipadala ko na itong mga card na ginawa ko. Ay, pero siyempre, bago yung ibang kaibigan ko, makakalimutan ko ba kayong dalawa? Ito para sa'yo. Kamuning, maligayang Pasko sa'yo. Walang anuman. At siyempre, Porfirio para sa'yo to. At mukhang meron kang para sa amin ni Kamuning.
Merry Christmas, Luis.
Merry Christmas, Porfirio.
Merry
Kamuning,
Christmas,
tingnan mo.
Kamuning.
Uy, ang ganda. Ito naman para sa akin. Ito naman para sa akin. Naku, pagkaganda-ganda naman itong regalo mo para sa akin. Maraming salamat, Porfirio.
Salamat din sa card mo, Luis.
Walang anuman. Naku, kailangan na naming magpaalam mga bata. Naway maging maligaya rin ang inyong Pasko. Kagaya ng Pasko namin dahil magkakasama kaming magkakaibigan. See you next time! Goodbye, my friend. Goodbye, my friend. Have a nice day. Goodbye, 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 my friend. Goodbye, my friend. See you next time. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Maligayang
Merry
Pasko, mga
Christmas
bata.
sa inyong lahat, sa lahat ng kamag-anak ninyo. Sa buong mundo, maligayang Pasko.